Apparently there is a new update for the GoPro. Let's check it out. Improve touch performance. That's good. Remove colored dots seen in some videos using a lower ISO max settings. Reduce sharpness for medium settings when shooting 4K video. General bugs fix to address a rare camera pairing issue. Also a pairing issue is solved. Updating. This is yeah. Touch sensitivity. Can I feel? Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, my friends. A bit better, but still good.
I switched to 5.
Still, the system is very slow. Look. It's like it should be instantly, not like see. It's too slow. Please. It should be close. The animation is not necessary. Just do it instantly. Okay. Well, yeah, it's a bit better. All right. 5K. Do we see any red dots? High ISO. Medium sharpness. What do you think? Is this yeah, media mode is working. Okay, I think it's looking great. That's what it is. Close up. Okay, very decent. Horizon leveling. Pretty good. I don't know, is the horizon leveling on? Probably. Okay. So what's the conclusion? Yeah, it did it. It fixed the common issues. But the menu is still a little bit slow. Thanks for watching and goodbye.